Hello, Margaret. This is a bit unusual, but it's the only way that I think I can get a message out to you because I looked at our schedules for next week and they are jam-packed. So hopefully you'll have a minute to review this and I'll be as quick as possible. But I think I've come up with an idea to handle the naughty list issue that we've been talking about in online faculty engagement. So obviously I've given this a lot of thought, and the reason I'm doing this is because on December 4th, there's a meeting in the evening with Betty Jo and all the Kendall online faculty. So I wanted to get this out to you as soon as possible. But just thinking this through, some of the online faculty challenges are they're unsure of what the requirements are. They don't know, how many posts they have to have per week, all that sort of thing. So they're unsure of the requirements. So we have to shore that up. And frankly, they're unsure of the schedule when meetings occur. It's kind of confusing to them. And then it's also they're unsure how to make changes to their D2L course, and we need Anthony Bowen for professional development on this. What that means is we told them, hey, if you see a bad discussion or a bad assignment, change it, revise it, or get rid of it, as long as it doesn't mess up the outcomes or change the outcomes, right? Or the course level outcomes. But they don't know how to do that. And Eileen brought up a great point today that there are e-nuggets on that, but they're just not, it's just not reaching them. So we have to do it a different way. And that's what my proposal is. So I just think overall communication needs to be improved drastically. As moving from a more punitive approach to a more nurturing approach towards faculty. I find myself struggling to think of emails to send to, kind of see what they're doing and which we've talked about, what we need to get away from. Um, and the proposal is that I run the SSC meetings for winter with all the online faculty. There are two, Lisa did a great job breaking them down into two groups. I'm fine with that. Um, and then here's the big one. Build on Diane Salmon's website for ECE or all online faculty if you think it's worth it. In terms of building a one-stop shop where we have recordings of the SSC meetings, professional development similar to the e-nuggets, professional development that the faculty's choice. So they have a say in what that professional development is, and ideally, I'd like to see them run the sessions. And a calendar of events. Again, it goes back to unsure of the schedule. I think something that simple is so easy that's a low-hanging fruit that I could do and add to the site. And then on the site, there would also be a D2L corner where we could share tips and tricks on how to grade faster, how to save some time, or just things about D2L in general that will help make the faculty's life easier. And then a blog so we can continue. We have all these great discussions in SSC, but they're largely, there's nowhere to continue that conversation. So much like Vong's idea for the community of practice, that's what this is for ECE folks. And then a current events tab where we could share relevant articles to our profession, relevant to online teaching, etc. So here's what that looks like. There's a site, and again, Diane created this site, and obviously I'm not a web guy. Like I don't know how to build a website, but I could figure it out at least to get something. And so this is what it would kind of look like, where I would add a tab for EC online folks, or again, we could use it for all online folks if it's something you think is valuable, to kind of just share what it's like because online is so different, as you know. But again, this will get to those compliance issues that Betty Jo's been concerned about, rightfully so, and make sure that the instructors know what the expectations are. So it's just a one-stop place for all of us to communicate. I would really like to present this idea to the online folks on Tuesday, the 4th. It's at 7 p.m. But I obviously wanted to go through you first. And again, I tried to set up a meeting, but you are literally busy from 9 a.m. till 9 at night. So on Monday and Tuesday. So I thought hopefully this will reach you. And it's under 5 minutes. So, okay.